What's up and welcome to my channel. I recommend you to also take a look at my other channel, which is Edward Excel. I share a lot of interesting things. With that being said, a lot of traders think that smart money make them profitable. I recommend to pay close attention to all the things that are shared in my channel right here, whether they are the shorts or the videos or also the written things that I share and most people don't take a look at. I recommend you to take a look at these things because a lot of people, as I said already, think that smart money makes you profitable. But why? If everyone knows about smart money, why is not everyone profitable yet? Why are 95% of the traders still losing money? This doesn't make sense because it seems like smart money is the holy grail, but at the same time, 95% of the people are still losing money. Of course, it can be a mindset problem. Of course, it can be, not good risk management and a lot of other things. But at the same time, it looks like smart money doesn't really work. Is that really it? I'm not sure. Actually, I am. I know that, I know for sure that you need to have a statistical edge when you are trading. Smart money doesn't make you profitable. My strategy has some concepts of smart money. It actually has many concepts that are put together and many others that I don't really take a look at. The reason why is because you need to find a statistical edge on the market, whether it is with smart money or with other things, and you need to make sure that your strategy is back tested and works statistically. We are here, and I am here in this channel to show you concepts that are making me profitable. So with that being said, let's get started. Another thing in order to become even more accurate with the change of Carter and everything is to look for this type of setup. This doesn't always happen, but when it happens, it is very accurate. So let's say we do both a bullish and bearish example. We're going to the downside. We have this change of Carter, but it is a V change of Carter, so it is a fake change of Carter. After that, we continue to the downside, just like we saw in this example right here. And then after this, we have another change of Carter like this. So this is one of my best setups when we go, break a structure, break a structure, break a structure. 1 second, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, so break a structure, break a structure, break a structure. And then we have fake change of Carter, V confirmation or fake change of Carter. You can call it the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we continue to the downside, break it. So sweep of liquidity or break a structure and actual change of Carter. So once we have a change of Carter right here, after a fake change of Carter, this is one of the best confirmations and most of the times this works. We mark out our demand area, we reach it and continue. So most of the times this is one of the best confirmations that we can trade, okay?
Okay.
Now let me give you, I will send you the recording of this so you can study it all, because I will give you some exercise to do at the end before continuing with our next call.
Okay.
But another type of setup, well, let's do the bearish example first. So we're going to the upside, upside, upside. We have this V confirmation, continuation. Okay, so a lot of people would enter right here. They go, okay, break a structure, break a structure, break a structure, change of Carter. Everyone enters from here. They become the liquidity. They get stopped out. This is fake change of Carter. And then you have the new supply area from here, from where you have your trade. So a lot of people get stopped out right here. Same example as the bullish one. Now, the other thing that I want you to focus on, and this is more of, where to look for change of Carter. So let's say you have your, let me see. This is your 1 hour or 15 minutes or 4 hours zone, okay?
Yeah.
What you want to look for is, can be, I'm giving you the general, I'm not telling you the time frame, but this can be on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes. The whole thing is that you're looking for an ABC pattern. So basically this. Okay. So A, B, C, all right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now, you look for the change of character, of course, only after we go above this high. If we didn't have a good confirmation here, now, of course, if we reach the 4 hours and here we have a good confirmation and we continue, that's good. I'm saying if we don't have a good confirmation here and we just go to the upside, retrace, go to the upside, this is A, B, C pattern. We are waiting for this. We don't want to look at this point, if there is no good confirmation here, we don't want to look for confirmation from this supply because it doesn't make sense, right? From here, it doesn't make sense because if there is no confirmation, why would we look for this supply? So we want to look only after external liquidity is taken. This is the external liquidity. Now, let's say this is, the 15 or 5 minutes, and then we want to look for lower time frames confirmation. So on this move right here, let me highlight it. On this move to the upside, we go on lower time frames when it is happening, when we're getting closer to breaking this area, and we look for what's happening on lower time frames. So let's say that this move is here, is looking like this. Of course, on lower time frames, it is smaller. It's going like this.
Yeah.
So just to put it more clearly, we are having this happening. So push to the upside, push to the downside, and then on lower time frames, this looks like this.
Yeah.
Perfect. And it breaks here.
Okay.
So now in this case, this is the move that breaks to the upside. And this is the area that we want to look for in order to look for change of character, right?
Yeah.
If this happens, this to me, it must look good, like I said earlier, like this. Maybe here first there was a fake change of character, down here, and that's great.
Yeah.
But this is a change of character. I will look for entries. That's perfect. At least to this demand, which was the demand in control for the structure.
Okay.
Well, this demand, at least. We can go lower, of course. If we are on a 4 hours zone, we can go way lower. We can, just drop. Now, the other thing is it becomes different if, and I will just redo it so you have both examples when you look at the video. It's different if this happened right here. So if this happened, and then we continue to the upside, which is the low that takes the external structure, it is this low, all right? So a lot of people get confused and they look for change of character still here because they say, this is the last low that broke to the upside this structure. So they look for this. This comes here, price comes back for a supply, maybe does this, and then it breaks to the upside. Why? Because this was the low that took external structure right here with this move to the upside right here. And this becomes liquidity.
Okay. Yeah, because it's happening also sometimes to me that it is like it looks good, like how you're showing, but it's next demand and it's going against me.
Yeah. So look for this. Okay.
Yeah.
If this is the low that takes the external structure, we need to break below it. And then in this case, it is
and
good.
go to downside. Yeah.
But basically, we need to look for the low. We need to look for an ABC pattern, and then for the low that takes the previous high. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Perfect. So this is all the things that you need to know for lower time frames, confirmations. You need to practice a lot and just get your eyes used to it. I don't recommend to do it while trading, but I recommend to do it, in back testing and in, yeah, just back testing
Okay.
mostly.
Yeah.
Do you have any question about this?
No, no, it's okay. It's clear now.
Great. 1 second. All right. Perfect. So now it's clear. And what I recommend you is to really look at all these things in a backtesting file. Do you want to cover anything else?
No, no, it's clear now. It's good. Thank you.
Okay, great. So I give you, before we do our next call, I want to ask you to look at this video again and then do a PDF file. You can do on Word and then convert it to PDF or whatever,
Mm.
where you backtest these things. You backtest these lower time frame confirmations.
Mm-hmm.
You put the link of the you put the image of the chart before, you put the image of the chart after, you show me what happened, and then after we will take a look together at your back testing about lower time frame confirmations, and I will comment on it, and I will help you get even better with these confirmations.
Okay. Yeah. Great.
Okay. And then after this, after all of this is clear and you back tested it and everything, we will add some volume confirmation that can help, but only after, because people can get confused if we put the volumes together with this right away. First, it is like volumes are extra. This is the most important part. Volumes are extra. It's not really that important.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have any other question? Any other way I can help you today?
I'm looking at right now. I'm trying to, imagine like how it is only. No,
All right.
thank you.
All right. Great.
Thank you, man.
Perfect. Then I'll send you the recording and and we connect next time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, Edward. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Talk to you
Yeah, take
soon.
care.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
take
Take
care.
care. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.